What is up, all you old souls? It's another weekend. I'm trying to keep myself busy here. I was just going to share what I'm doing with the Del Sol, what I'm working on. Some things are kind of on hold now with the whole coronavirus, so just trying to keep myself busy here, kind of. But let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I've got my whole inside kind of ripped apart again, but it's for a good reason. I got all this out again, but my seat belts, they're not retracting, I think, like they should be anymore. So a friend of mine in Greece, his name's Jeff, he's on Instagram, but he's making me some new seat belts, and I believe they're the EDM JDM style, so they're a little different than ours. I don't really know the difference, but they're going to be on their way soon. I'll be getting a video out on how to get all this out, get them out. It's just a couple 12 millimeter bolts, and then they just come right out, and you throw the new ones in and you reroute them through this little plastic piece right there. But I'm doing that. I didn't get the sound dampening really up into this area yet, so I'm going to be doing that. But I'm not going to be using the Stinger sound dampening. I'm going to be using the rest of my Silas kind of foam dampening here. I'm not really too worried about mixing the two. It's just, like I said, I'm trying to keep myself busy here. But yeah, we're going to be doing that. What else am I doing here? I do need to order some more Stinger sound dampening for this door. Or I could just use this. I don't really know what I'm going to do yet, but it doesn't really matter. Nobody's going to see it really, so I might be working on a little bit of that today. I did get the rest of these rough spots sanded out. There was just some nastiness in there. And this spot right here. So I got those all buffed out, and we're going to have to prime those probably. I do have the Gather speaker covers coming from him as well. So I'll be replacing my OEM ones here with those, and I'll show you how to do that. That's super, super easy. So these are all kind of projects going forward. I think today I'm going to be getting the Del Sol up on a jack with some jack stands here. Or I might use my little Rhino ramps just to get the back end up maybe. And I think we're going to be starting to wire brush the bottom of the Del Sol here, because I've never undercoated the Del Sol, and I think that's what I'm going to work on today. I mean, it's super, super boring kind of stuff that I'm doing, but I don't know. It's just one of those times probably right now that you just, I don't know. Like I said, trying to keep myself busy here and doing stuff that maybe I don't want to do later so I can knock them out right now. But the reason we can't move forward on painting the Del Sol right now is because my buddy Kent, his dad has a shop over in Iowa, and Iowa's getting hit a lot harder than Nebraska is with the coronavirus, and he's pretty old, something like 70, and old people just got to be really careful right now. So that's just kind of on hold. I can't really get over there. I can't get the car over there. I don't want him to get out and about and worry about having to get sick or whatnot. So until this all blows over, this is where I'm kind of at, just working on other stuff right now. So I don't know. I'm going to get the car up and see how it's looking, I guess. And we're going to go from there. But yeah, let's get under the car and see how rusted it is under there and what the condition is, because I've honestly never done it. So, all right, here I got the Del Sol jacked up just a little bit here, but you can see that it doesn't look too bad under here. There's not a lot of rust. It looks pretty good. The gas tank looks pretty good. I mean, it kind of looks a little crooked there. I don't know. I don't have a muffler anymore. You can see right there. I don't know. Cut that off in the fall because it was falling off, and I just haven't bought a new exhaust yet. But I got to get a full new exhaust all the way down. But from what I can tell, even some of these parts up there, I mean, it kind of looks a little nasty, but nothing's really rusted. So that's good. But yeah, we're just going to clean up all this stuff here. The sway bar's looking a little just surface rusty, but not terrible. I don't know. But yeah, let's get to work because I don't got shit to do. But I don't know. I might try and remove some of these rusted bolts like that thing. Man, that just looks terrible. I'm going to take that off probably. But as far as everything else, it looks pretty good under there. Alright, so I'm not going to show you guys like 9 hours of me doing this. I might just hit a few spots here and see how it actually goes or whatnot. But yeah, this is what I'm working on. So we'll see how this goes. So this is really not fun. Hurt your arms, but it works for sure. You can really see here's like 25 years worth of whatever this is under here. Dirt, grease, grime. And here's what I just got off of here. But you're definitely going to need a couple different sizes worth of stuff. But you can see how clean that's probably supposed to be right there. Because that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like after about, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes worth of wire brushing. But man, this is going to take forever. And it's not that fun. But I don't know. Alright, so I've been at this for about an hour with a combination of a larger wire wheel, a small wire wheel. I even tried this little scrubby. I have this wire brush, and then I have this harder like metal grinder thing, and none of them really work all that good besides this one. For some reason this one works quite a bit better. But yeah, it's been an hour, and you can definitely tell. Like, there's the area that I did, and you can see 25 years worth of crap kind of getting clean. So that's pretty crazy. I might go try and find something better at like Harbor Freight, maybe. Maybe something air driven that's really gonna scrape that off better, because my arms are burning. I mean, you can definitely see that it works, and you can get all that grime off there. Definitely wear some kind of eyewear and a mask, because I'm getting all that all in my nose and my eyes and my face. So, man, my arms hurt too. I'm sitting under there like holding the drill up. Probably doesn't help I have this little drill too. Should probably upgrade my drill. But that's why I was thinking something air driven maybe. I don't know. I think we're going to call it good for this vlog today. You can see what I'm up to. I'm not going to show you everything. My neighbor's mowing again for the 900th time. Starting to feel like Chris Fix here. The guy just mows all the goddamn time, and it's so loud when I'm trying to film this vlog. But yeah, you can see that's where I'm at. So boy, I'm guessing to do all of this right here, a couple hours worth of work. I don't know. Well, that's gonna be my project though. Ooh boy, what a project it is. I'm going to try to research some other solutions. I'm going to try and figure out what's going to be the best to do this. Let me know in the comments below if you've done this, or if you have done this, or know anybody or any other better way to do this with some kind of better pneumatic driven method, or some other kind of method, just, I don't know, to make my life easier. Let me know. But yeah, one of those things you just got to do if you want to know it's all done right and protected under there. But hopefully you guys are healthy, staying safe, and working on your Del Sols. Until next time, peace.